This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 19th November 2020. In the international market, Pfizer, the leading coronavirus vaccine drug maker, said the final results from the late-stage trial of its COVID-19 vaccine show it was 95% effective, adding that it had the required 2 months of safety data and would apply for emergency US authorization within days. On one hand, US is recording 1.6 lakh new cases every day for the last 7 days, and on the other hand, COVID-19 vaccine hope is increasing day by day. With vaccine inside, US 10-year benchmark closed at 0.88 percentage points, just 1 basis points above from the previous day. In the crude oil market, yesterday API had reported 4.17 million barrel crude oil inventory buildup, after which crude's rally has stalled. Crude is now trading at $43.97 per barrel. Crude's short-term range is seen at $42 to $45 per barrel. We have been vocal on the bullish crude trade with $50 per barrel target by January 2021, and few of our clients are holding long crude from recent $37 per barrel price. In the currency market, dollar index right now is trading at 92.50. DXY's today's range seems to be 92.10 to 92.79. A close below 92.10 will take the dollar index to 52-week low levels of 91.74, and we at Knight Research believe that it is just a matter of time when DXY will be at 52-week low again. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 6.57, almost no change. USD INR with a low of 74.11 closed at 74.18 yesterday. USD INR's today's range seems to be 74 to 74.30. As we had mentioned, USD INR now has closed below 74.50 and 74.30 consecutively, but we feel 74 psychological level is not easy to breach, and RBI may intervene anytime soon. Rather, the prudent strategy for today would be to go long near 74.02 at the start of the day if the price opens at that level for quick 20 paisa, and we expect USD INR to close around 74.30 mostly today. Of course, do not forget to check with us, as markets are dynamic and we have to make instantaneous decisions. In the domestic markets were range bound yesterday. 522 GS 2025 made a high of 100.65 or 505 yields and closed at 509. Similarly, 577 GS 2030 made a high of 99.38 or 585 yields and closed at 587. Private sector banks were seen buying again yesterday. 522 GS 2025 has rallied because of today's OMO. Night Research will be available with OMO cutoff expectations by 10:30 a.m. Watch out! Diwali season has gone and Delhi is already struggling with COVID-19 third wave. If this situation happens in majority of the country again and partial lockdowns have to be implemented, this will weaken the bond yields, and yields can come back to 580 levels depending on the COVID-19 scenario in India. Our research team is keeping an eye on the COVID-19 numbers in India, and it will make sure to update you in timely fashion. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.